The Honda HF420 Honda Jet is a light business jet produced by the Honda Aircraft Company of Greensboro, North Carolina, United States. The aircraft has a composite fuselage and an aluminum wing and has a 2,600 kilometers range. The Honda Jet has received several aeronautic design and innovation accolades. Cessna Citation M2. The Model 525 marketed as Cessna Citation M2 are powered by improved FJ44 turbofans offering 10 to 15% more cruise thrust and up to 5% more hot and high thrust, and are equipped with modern Garmin G3000 avionics replacing Rockwell Collins Proline 21. It became Cessna's entry-level jet after the Citation Mustang ended production in May 2017. The Embraer Phenom 100E is a very light business jet designed and produced by the Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer. The Phenom 100 has been stretched into the larger Embraer Phenom 300. As of 2024, 401 had been delivered. Cirrus Vision SF50 G2. The reviews have compared its performance to high-performance single-turboprop aircraft. In 2018, the Vision jet was awarded the Collier Trophy for the greatest achievement in aeronautics or astronautics in America during the preceding year, being the first certified single-engine civilian jet. For emergency uses, it has both a whole airframe ballistic parachute and auto-land system. That is it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked this video, and before you leave, share, like, comment and subscribe at Insight Edge 360 YouTube channel.